This is not your regular avocado and egg on toast. It's just better. Now, breakfast doesn't need to be boring. Okay, it doesn't need to be too complicated because it's the first thing in the morning that you're gonna do. But at the same time, let's spice it up slightly. Now, I've got here two perfectly ripe avocado and we're gonna crush them with about a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper, a squeeze of lemon juice, and about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now, of course, you could go with other ingredients if you wish, like tomatoes, spring onions, garlic, or whatever you prefer, but we're gonna keep it simple for this recipe. Now, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love chorizo, and in this combination, it just works so well. So get a few slices, fry them, and move on to the rest of the ingredients. Now, of course, if you wish, you could replace this with smoked bacon, or you could skip it entirely, but you're gonna miss out on all that good flavor. Now for the eggs, I'm gonna use exactly the same pan where I cooked the chorizo. There is a lot of flavor in there and I don't wanna miss out on this. A pinch of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper goes on top. And now let's put a lid on. Now while the eggs are cooking, which is gonna take about 2-3 minutes on medium heat until they form a bit of a crust underneath, we still want them moist, we still want them soft, but let's move on to the bread. And I want a thick slice of bread. Now to toast your bread, I recommend doing it in a pan with about 15-20 grams of butter. This is gonna be so much better than just doing it in a toaster. Eggs ready is exactly what we're looking for. Now let's put everything together. So first, we've got the toast. After that, we're going with the crushed avocado. And because it's a thick slice, you wanna be quite generous. We're following with the chorizo, some fresh mozzarella cheese, which works amazingly in this combination. If you don't have fresh mozzarella cheese, you can use cheddar cheese, but bear in mind that it's not gonna be the same. And if you wanna go an extra level, which is totally optional, add in some chives. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.